Here's part 2, guys. I'm so sorry about that cutout, but here, as you can see inside, there's the mounting box and there's the drywall. See? Whoops. Drop the screw. See? The drywall right here and right here. You can see a little chisel line there and inside the box. See inside the back box? Yeah. So as you can see, they've mounted it with primarily big deck screws screwing into the box. So, yep, let's get that light covered. Let's put on the replacement. Here's the original, and here's the new one that we're going to be putting on. Okay, guys, I'm going to put you back down and watch the rest of the video. You're going to watch me put it on, okay, guys? Okay. Okay, here we go. So, sorry guys. Okay, so we're going to start with the flathead. The forehead screw first. So we're going to put the plate on. Slip it on, just like that. Tight fit, perfect fit. Okay, grab your flathead, put her in the screw flathead driver, and screw her down like so. Screw her down like so. Okay. Now we're going to take our forehead screwdriver and screw her down. There you go, guys. The complete change of the light switch covers. And here's the original one. It's kind of cracked, but yeah. This has all been brought to you by, here is a little friend, sorry about that. Here's a little skull that I have. It's a beautiful little skull. It's from what you call a creature that's over here called the mongoose. It's very nice. It's missing some teeth, but yeah. Okay. So guys, have a safe summer and hope you have a good time back at school. For all of you who have gone back to school already, good luck. School over here starts pretty soon, so, and here's my skull. Thank you, and goodbye.